It's that time again, another Stitch Fix unboxing. So again, at last checkout, they waived the styling fee if I wanted to do a back-to-back. So of course, I always think there's nothing to lose, I'm gonna do it. So let's get started with this Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. So Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription service. You can choose how often you want to receive a box, and they usually have 5 items in there for you. They also have a preview where you can preview some things that your stylist picks for you that can be added into your box, or you can just decline everything and they can start from scratch again. It is a $20 styling fee, but if you do keep anything from the box, that does go toward that styling fee. And then if you keep all 5 items, you get a 25% discount on everything. And I'll also have a referral link in the description box for you guys. If you want to check out Stitch Fix for yourself, then you can get $25 off of your first box. And here's what is inside. So you do have your pre-printed return package, so you can send anything back you don't want. And then now they have condensed it down to 1 sheet of paper that has your stylist note at the top and then the total of all the items down at the bottom as well. And then let's see the bundle. So here are some great fall colors. I'm loving the greens and the browns. First item is from Daniel Rain, and it is the 3/4 marled rushed sleeve knit top in olive, size medium. I like the texture on this. This has a really good texture, and yes, it does look like it has that marled look to it. It's got ruched sleeves, and I wonder if that was supposed to be ruched and not rushed, but pretty olive color for fall. And then here is a quarter zip. Now this was in the preview, and I chose to keep this from the preview. It's from Market and Spruce. It's the Lisa quilted half zip pullover in beige, size medium. I love these for just casual looks, so I wanted to see how this was because I like that quilting detail that was on it. And then next up is this top from Fortune and Ivy. It is the Caitlin zipper detail cow neck knit top, dark green in medium. So here you've got that little cow neck right here. It's really soft material. And then next up is from Letty and Me, the crystal scalloped cardigan in navy. So, oh yeah, that's cute how it has that scallop. I think I had this in my saved. I had this in another color. They came in 2 different colors, so this was in my saved. So, looks like she found that for me. And then this last thing was something that was also in the preview that I kept. So, out of all of the items, I think there was like 10 or so. I did see 2 that I wanted to keep in my fix. This is from Skies Are Blue, and this is a faux suede blazer. It's got the ruched sleeve. Oh gosh, this feels nice. So it's the faux suede blazer in brown, size medium from Skies Are Blue. So I can't wait to try all this on, you guys. So I didn't get any bottoms in this fix, so I just have my regular jeans on, and so I'm just gonna show you kind of the tops. So I love this. It has kangaroo pockets. This is kind of my go-to. A quarter zip is kind of my go-to for casual outings with my kids. Love that it has the slits, and it's got that diamond quilting, which is really nice. So I like the trim on here where it's like the beige oatmeal color, but it's got the, I'm not sure if that's navy. I think it's navy. The navy trim on here. So I really like this. This is a great casual for me. So this one's the Market and Spruce Lisa quilted half zip pullover, $69 though, you guys. So it depends on whether or not I keep everything, because I can get some pullovers, which I really liked from Free Assembly at Walmart or Amazon. The Amazon Essentials, those are good, and they're under $30. So it depends on whether or not I keep everything else, whether I get that 25% off, because I think $70 for this is a little much. So next up, I put on the Daniel Rain top. This is interesting. It's got longer sleeves than a short sleeve, which I really like, kind of elbow length. Actually, it covers your elbow in the back. And it's got this ruching, which is interesting. It's different. More of like a boat neck style neckline. So like the slits on the side, it's a good length. I don't have to take it if I don't want to. It looks nice laid out too. So I don't know, you guys, what do you think about this one? I like the color. I like that it has that marled look, and the sleeves are interesting to me. So this is the Daniel Rain Laney 3/4 sleeve, a marled rushed sleeve. It's $58. Here's the next one, and they're calling this dark green, but to me, this is pulling very gray. So I like this cow neck detail. It's got this little zipper detail here on the side. The sleeves are a little tight. It's a more fitted style. It's got a rounded hemline. So I think I like this one too. So I just front taped it so you can see what this looks like. This feels soft. I like the material of this one. This one's really nice. So this is the Fortune and Ivy Caitlin zipper detail cow neck, $49. Not a bad price for this one. I think it's nice and cozy. I mean, it's not real thick, but it feels good. It feels like it'll be really nice and warm, but it's super soft. I like it. So here's the cardigan. I just put my own little like white tank on with this just to see how this looked. I love this scallop detail. That makes it interesting. I don't have any cardigans that are like that. So it's like a double scallop. So that's really nice. I like this. It's a good lightweight cardigan, good length. It hits, you know, bottom coverage. If you want to wear this with leggings, you can. Slits on the side, open front, no buttons or anything. So I like this. It's a good lightweight one. And I love navy with lighter colored jeans. I've got dark colored jeans on today. Let's see, this is the Letty and Me Crystal Scout cardigan, $49, so not a bad price for this one either. And then let's move on to the faux suede blazer. I saved it for last. I can't wait to try it on, but that was my favorite as far as the preview, so let's see. So here's the faux leather blazer. I love it. I'm glad it doesn't have a button because I don't think I would have been able to button it. This is in the medium and it fits like right here at the shoulders. So I don't know, but it wouldn't fit if I had to button it. But I love that it doesn't have a button because I will be able to leave it open. Love this. I love the ruching on the sleeves. It feels so nice and soft with this faux suede and this really rich brown color. So I really like this. I see myself wearing some jeans and, ooh, I've got some olive color cargo pants. I think this will look good with too. Kind of dress up the cargo pants a little bit. So this is the Skies Are Blue faux suede blazer, $88. So altogether, all 5 items are $313. I did not have a styling fee because they had waived that if I did a back-to-back. And so if you bought all, the 25% discount would take $78.25 off, making the subtotal before taxes $234.75. So $234.75 for a quarter zip, a cow neck top, a cardigan, a faux suede blazer, and a top, like a top that you could probably layer with. I don't know with those ruched sleeves if you could or not. I actually like all 5 items. I really like that quarter zip, but I wasn't sure if it was worth $69. But if I decided to get it all and you take 25% off, then that doesn't make it too bad. The most expensive thing is this faux suede blazer, which is $88. I think this is a 5 for 5. I actually liked everything that's on this. And I was debating on whether or not I would try to get a large in this one just to give like more room in the front. But I mean, it doesn't button, so it's going to be one that's left open anyway. And it fits in the shoulder, and I've got plenty of room to stretch and stuff. So I think I'll stay with the medium in this one, but I'd really like to keep all 5. I like all 5 of these items, but let me know what you guys think. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I hope to see you in my next video, and until then, I hope you have a wonderful day.